Hi everyone, if you've lost important files due to system updates, accidental deletion, etc., we're here to help. In this video, we'll show you how to recover deleted files from your Android phone without rooting it. Let's get started. First, launch DroidKit on your computer and select Quick Recovery under Data Recovery Mode. This scan can recover 13 types of data without root. Select the data you want to recover and click Start. Connect your device using a USB cable, and once detected, you will see that your device connected successfully page. Then, please click Next option. DroidKit will quickly scan for both existing and deleted data. After scanning, you can preview the data and choose to restore it either to device or to Mac. If you choose the To Mac button, you can make settings before exporting. Once the restoration is complete, you'll see the Recovered Successfully page. Please click View Files option to view the recovered data on the computer. Thanks for your watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.